Hey, so in today's video, this is quite a different video from me. As you can tell, I'm not wearing any makeup. All I've done is wash my face, but I had to film right this moment because I got my Clionadh package in the mail today. Let me actually talk while I open this up. Fun fact, this pair of scissors, this is kind of a scary way to hold scissors, but this pair of scissors stabbed me in the foot when I was 7 years old. And I have a scar on my foot from when I stepped on these scissors. But basically, if you're unaware, Clionadh is a Canadian-based indie brand. They're very small, and they recently, and by recently I mean January, they started a pre-order system where you could pre-order their things and they'd make it to order. Previously, they always sold out of things super quickly, and they're known for their stained glass shadows. I'll put a picture right here of some of their beautiful goodness. I'm shaking so much I can't even. I almost stabbed myself just then. Sky, you need to compose yourself. And I ordered this package on the 24th of February, so 2 days after my birthday, as a birthday gift to myself. And because of, you know, the virus, they didn't ship out. Well, they couldn't make them for the longest time, but now I'm actually so impressed with this because I didn't have to pay customs for this like I normally do with anything from the US, but I guess from Canada you don't have to pay. I'm not too sure. And Clionadh was updating everybody with their parcels and shipping things and just having very good communication with everybody, which, okay, anyways, you're not here to hear me ramble about that. You're here to see the beautiful shadows. Here is my receipt. There's a little note at the bottom and it says, "Thank you for your support and patience. We appreciate you, Sky. Stay safe and healthy," from Maggie and Lee, the owners of the brand. Actually gonna cry. But yes, I bought 7 shadows and I'm so excited to show you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first off we have a little card that says Clionadh Cosmetics. By the way, I'm filming this in my kitchen because I wanted to use natural light, so I apologize if the sound is a bit echoey. And also, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is my first time ever purchasing from Clionadh, so I'm excited. Everything is packaged like so, which is really nice, nicely packaged, all bubble wrapped, nice and safe.
Give the goblin the goodness.
Okay, so I just opened everything out of the bubble wrap. As you can see, there was a lot of it, which I really appreciate because nothing appears to be broken. I bought 7 shadows. All of them are from their stained glass collection. I believe everything I purchased was a glitter multichrome except for one of them. I bought one jeweled multichrome as well. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's very beautiful. And on the back it has their stained glass, like, little logo. Super pretty, super pretty. I cannot wait to open these. So the first shade right here is the shade Lineage. As you can see, super beautiful. This is basically like a mint green to turquoise shift. It's so pretty. By the way, these have 1.5 grams if you're curious, so they're quite small, but how often are you going to go through a shadow? I'm actually going to set this one down. I'll do swatches at the end because I do want to take a photo of all of my shadows nice and pristine. But let's go for the next shade. This one right here. Very pretty. I think this one is called Heirloom. Okay, this one is called Heirloom right here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of got a bright green shift and it's kind of got some gold in it as well. That is... oh, and it's got some blue as well. Oh, this is stunning. On camera, as you can see right here, it does look green and gold. But from this angle, when I look at it from here, it looks blue. This is a weird way to hold up shadows, but these two are gonna pair so beautifully together. They look way prettier in person than they do online. Okay, so I just took everything out of their packaging, the initial little component like this. And what's interesting is that where the shadows are stored in this little thing, they actually have the ingredients listed on the back, so that's really cool. I like that. But yeah, let's continue on with the rest of the shadows. You can kind of see that I went for a very specific color story. This shade right here is called Kaleidoscope. So pretty. Ooh, I love pink eyeshadow. You guys know I had to pick up some pinks. Next up is the shade Sunbeam. Very fitting name since it is messing with the lighting right now. So beautiful and shiny. I was worried that these two would be similar, Kaleidoscope and Sunbeam, but they do look very different. I think maybe the shift might be similar, but they are very different. Next up is Glazed. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Now this one is one of their best sellers. This one is Abrasion. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's one of those classic like purpley blue shades. Oh, stunning. So stunning. And last but definitely not least is the only jeweled multichrome that I picked up. And I really wish that I picked up the shade Patina. I'll put a picture of it right here. That one, oh, it's so gorgeous. I wish I picked that one up, but I didn't, since their jeweled multichromes are the most expensive of these shadows. Okay, but this is Oculus. Y'all aren't ready for this. So it's like a bright blue to purple. I hope you can see it on camera. I don't know if it's gonna pick up the shift. Maybe there. But the first shade we're going to be swatching is the shade Sunbeam. I'm gonna do all my swatches on this arm right here, so... Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Oh, that is so beautiful. Just going to build up the swatch a little bit, just so you're gonna see it better. But that's Sunbeam right there. It's a beautiful, like, it's got a very soft pink base. It's more like translucent, which I really like. This will make a beautiful eye topper. And it's kind of got a, like, gold to pink to almost green shift. It's super pretty. So that's what Kaleidoscope looks like on the finger. Ooh. Ooh, you cannot see that. I'm guessing the glitter multichromes will work better over a, like, sticky base, but that is Kaleidoscope. It's a pink color with a blue shift to it. Okay, we're gonna move on to the two purples that I have, the first one being Glazed. This one really messes with my camera's lighting, so cannot wait to see what this looks like swatched. I apologize that my focus isn't the best, but that's what it looks like on the finger. Now, let's see. It's got like a magenta kind of flip to it, but in person, from a certain angle, it's got like a bright yellow gold to it. Wow, that's so pretty. That's a pretty one. Now this one is Abrasion. I know this is one of the best sellers. This is Abrasion. Oh. But this one is one of those like purple blue duochromes, like one of those classic duochromes that everyone knows and loves. It is amazing. The amount of glitter and sparkle in this one, ooh, I think that might be my favorite so far. Because that one has quite a strong base color to it. The rest of them don't have as strong of a base, which I do love a translucent base. And that's probably the point of the glitter multichromes. That's why I got a few of them. Alrighty, next up is Lineage. This one looks really fun. Ooh, this one's very smooth. Very smooth. Oh, I picked up a lot on my finger, so that's why it's a little bit crumbly. Wow, okay. This one is like a mint seafoam green, and it's got like a gold and pink shift to it. And then next up, the penultimate shade is the shade Heirloom. This one looks like it's gonna shift from a couple of shades of green to gold. Oh, it looks very stunning on the finger. Very stunning. Are you joking? Are you kidding me? Again, these swatches are a bit wonky, but this one shifts from a darker green to a lighter green to a gold. That is amazing. Can we tell that I have a type? Can we tell that I have like a color scheme that I like to go for? These are all kind of pastel-y shades except for Abrasion. And finally, this one I'm most excited to swatch, the shade Oculus. Again, on camera, this only looks like it shifts like blue to green, but in reality, it goes from purple to blue to green to pink almost. Like, it's so pretty. I'm so excited to see what this one looks like. This could be beautiful as like a liner, like over a black base.
And
on my finger, you can actually see the shift. It's like a bright green, blue to purple. That doesn't even look real. Okay, so I'm so excited to see this one swatched. Oh my... I picked up a lot on my fingers, so let's make this a chunky swatch. I have never owned a jeweled multichrome in my life, and this is the most incredible shadow ever. This is just a quick look at the swatches. I'll take better videos in better lighting, but oh my gosh. I'll insert a quick video of these shadows in natural lighting, like under daylight and moving my arm around under the sun. But guys, I am so excited to finally be trying out Clionadh. These shadows look absolutely incredible, and even though I did have to wait quite a while, obviously that wasn't Clionagh's fault because the world is quite chaotic. I'm so glad to actually have these in my collection, and they are so unique that I definitely think they are worth the price just by swatching and looking at them. I don't have anything else like this in my collection. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I apologize that this was kind of filmed on the fly and I didn't like prepare at all. I just wanted to show you guys like my first impressions and swatches and unboxing of all of this because I'm so excited for Clionadh. I'm so glad that they are becoming like a bigger brand, and I really want to get more from them in the future. I definitely will place another order very soon. If you want to see more makeup content from me, do follow me on my Instagram. It's Beauty by Sky right here, where I'll be posting all of my makeup looks, all of my swatches, everything makeup essentially on there. So do go check me out on there. But you can also follow me on my other social media. I have a personal Instagram, I live stream on Twitch 3 times a week, and my Twitter are all linked down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I promise it will be a lot more put together than this one. Bye.